This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending May 10th, 2025. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 0.29% on Friday and was down minus 0.16% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 0.07% on Friday and was down minus 0.47% for the week. The Nasdaq was flat at 0.00% on Friday and was down minus 0.27% for the week. So basically, the market did nothing this week, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was up 7.17% this week, and that was good and all, but that doesn't really matter either because I can generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. I make cash flow off of Bitcoin's volatility, and we know that Bitcoin is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. And looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Mara Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol MARA in the third column. It was up 10.29% on Friday and increased 8.84% for the week. Mara Holdings Incorporated is a digital assets computation and mining company that develops and deploys technologies to mine digital crypto assets such as Bitcoin. The company has approximately 265,000 operational miners spread across a number of U.S. states. Mara uses technology to reduce energy waste and inefficiencies in its mining operations. The company has a Bitcoin treasury program where they buy and hold Bitcoin as a treasury asset. The stock soared this week because their revenues increased by 30% from the same period last year, which was largely due to the increase in Bitcoin's price. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 8 different option contracts that range from $65.34 to $155.34. I received a total of $822.72 for the 8 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, and that's because I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. In fact, I'm halfway to my goal already. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it, or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $822.72 this week? Well, I will probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately in every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. This is last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 3.26%. So, what's the catch? Well, knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand options contracts. And there are many ways to use options. In fact, there are hundreds of different option strategies people have come up with. I employ one of the easiest strategies, one that guarantees me income every week. It is very simple, it's very easy, but most people will never learn how because I believe people shun subjects that they were not formally taught to in school. And making Your money, make money is a subject they will never teach you in school. Why? Because they want you to work, not your money. They don't want your money to work. They want you to have lazy money that you just spend. Well, I'm done with working. It's time for my money to do all the work now. Do you know how to make your money make money? Do you know how to put it to work? Fortunately, there are hundreds, actually thousands of books that inform you how you can make your money work in a variety of ways. Please understand that most books are designed to inform you generally, not specifically. Hopefully, they can help you change your mindset. However, there are a few how to books that show you specifically what to do, and some how to books are more detailed than others. It is up to you to understand and know the differences. I am not offering to show you exactly how I use options. It should be good enough to understand that I sell options related to Bitcoin. I don't buy options. I sell options and I get money from the options that I sell. This is why cash flow is guaranteed. Are there any drawbacks? I don't know. You tell me. Selling options is a lot easier than selling anything else. For one, I don't have to advertise. There is no marketing costs. I don't have to search for and find buyers. If you understood the U.S. financial system, you would know that the buyers are built into the system. There's no customer acquisition costs. The only cost that I incur is a commission fee, and you see that the fee that I pay is usually 66 cents for each sale. The purpose of my videos is to report and show you the proof, the receipts of getting guaranteed income. I hope that you are motivated enough to do your own research, read, watch YouTube videos, discuss with a trusted and knowledgeable friend, and see what they have to say. If they don't know what I'm talking about, then that's the wrong person to be talking to. They simply don't know enough. In the meanwhile, check back each week to see how much cash flow or income I generate and to see whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.